Go, 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 go. We should next time we'll cheat a bit. That's okay. Like half a second before, yeah. But I think the start was pretty even, but it looks like a bit faster. So we'll just try to start a bit earlier. But we go slowly back.
Yeah.
And vi kör ett till. I love it in the Veyron with this, it's a vent here, it's a fan here.
Yeah, right.
I never noticed it.
Yeah.
Really nice. Oh, he's going on the back here. It's crazy.
Yeah.
So let's go in where we went in. Har vi... Se till att vi får starten, att vi får lite head start. I told him that see that we get the start, a little bit head start.
Yeah.
And if we don't get them, then we know it's faster. But it's a bike, like this is much more comfortable.
Yeah.
So aux 2, you have an iPod wire to this or something?
Yes. It's over here, but it's not stuck right now. Beautiful with the carbon here. Okay, go, go, go. Everything is fine. So what was the speed reading? Did you see? I had taken a look at it.
Yeah. Wow, this was... Go, go. It's a fast bike.
It is.
It's a freaking fast. But the thing is, not many know how to use it. Like utility the full power.
Yeah.
So let's see what this says. Oh yeah, we have to cool the brakes maybe.
Yeah.
Ja, det var bra, eller hur? Med 300 tar vi dig. What speed you got? Somewhere around 300. So does it look nice? It looks good? Den ser bra ut, vi testar. Den ser snygg ut, eller? Okay. Switzer P800 with change pistons. Versus AMS Alpha 12 with burnt. Hello?
Hello.
And versus S1000 RR with Anders. So let's give him a head start, the bike, so we can see him. Give them a bit head start. Okay, so let them go, let them stop. Now. chase him. Chase him. So he gonna go for it, and we'll try to chase him. Okay, Sean. Gasa. Sean, go. Be on it. Yeah, and left. And then, go. Go. That's good. Wow, so what speed did we hit?
I think we drive now 222.
But on the straight, 3 on. Or you hit the rev limiter on 7?
No.
So what speed did you hit?
On the
On the
track?
straight. Yep.
Yeah. 300 to 22 kilometers per hour.
So that's the rev limiter?
No.
Oh, it's higher.
Yeah, it's much higher.
Oh,